Good morning, everyone. Once again, we're now having another virtual tour diri sa Libertad, no? And this time, this is a 4-bedroom, 3 toilet and bath, seated in a 301 square meters lot area with a 215 floor area. Ato siyang sudlan dili. So sa gawas pa lang, guys, makita na ninyo no nga very huge o wide ang house, and this is just along the road, so dili na gid ka magproblema. See? So upon entering, you have a view of their landscaping here, which I appreciate so much. Kay tanawa ra gyud. Kasi marag take time gid nila nga magtanom and all. Hello ma'am, good morning. So diri ana siya space for you to have your own garden as well, pero kani set up naman siya daan, so no need for you to do massive construction or massive nga landscaping as well. So diri you can also entertain your guests, your friends, no, throw a mini party for example, di ba? Gamo kayo siya pag-develop yan. So mag-start sa diri sa likod for us to appreciate the how large this space is. Matingala ganin ko nga this is just 300 square, but it looks huge because na maximize gin nila every inch of the space. Here we have a gazebo, or pinasosyal siya gamay guys na kana bitawng dirty kitchen, and it's an open kitchen, more siya bar, no? Where you can also do some sort of gathering with your friends. Dili sa likod, naa siya, sa panisay sa silence na mo siya og African talisay, di ba? And then dili sa likod, you can use this as your service area also, or another space for you to develop. Then dili pwede this is a smart move also, no, kay maghimo nila og mini gym. So nakita diri ang bike, you can also do in the future put here another like treadmill or mga set of mga dumbbells and whatnot. So, going back here sa atong space, na siya one car carport, pwede ang SUV, pick up, sedan, and whatnot. So, diri siya ang access. Actually, diri na tagikan ganina, gipalibot lang tamo para makita ninyo ang whole area. By the way, naa sila water tank. So, sulbad ang problema sa water sa Butuan. So, here, home sweet home. Welcome to your new home. Pagsulod na to, okay. Again, first time hapon ako makasulod guys para mas dungan ta mag-appreciate sa property. Okay. Confident kayo sa podcast. Anyway, coming here, mubungad sa inyo ang open below nga living area. So makita diri guys ang second floor. So some of the contractors no tend to use this para high ceiling siya, dili pud siya ana ka init in actual. So this is the second house nga ako nang na-videohan nga open below siya. The other one is the in employees village. And here is the dining area. They have a dining table which can seat approximately 8 people. And then na siya access to the tong ganina nga na landscaping. Then napod sila mini balcony here where you can chit chat or do your coffee in the morning. Here is their formal kitchen area. Na po sila breakfast nook. And then mailhan din mo guys nga this house is gialagaan siya tarong sa owner, no, because diri sa na nagpuyo for quite some time, and makita nimo is very homey siya. Kaya yun. So, here, nagabi siya ka-spacious. Just na-amaze ko guys, this is just 215 floor area. Kay gabi siya pagka-maximize. Here below sa iyahang terrace, no. Below sa staircase, nasa siya mura og mini storage area here. Nasa siya mura. Kung pwede na siya ninyo himuon o actually og if you like vanity area, powder room, or mga any stuff that you can put. And then here is imohang common toilet and bath, which no, dili di siya common guys, kaya naman siya door. Ano po kabantay. So this is a room di ay with its own toilet and bath, which is sulod na din ka diri sa iyahang bedroom, and this bedroom is so unique because it also has an access to the garage, which is here. So, most likely, ang mga people dyan nga, technically the owner of the house magstay here kasi sila po na ang naay sakyanan. So, sila po na maka-access diretso in case of na emergency. Smart siya nga idea nga naay um, door sa room all the way sa garage. So, coming here sa second floor, diba? May ilang ginin mo siya nga personalized siya. Good morning, sir. And here is ang second space for the second floor where you can convert this as your second living area, mini living area or entertainment area if you may. And naa siya space to the second floor's balcony. So mini balcony lang siya guys, but it gives you a glimpse of what's outside. Ayun, ana siya guys. So here, going to the other bedrooms that we can have. Sorry. Hello. Nay bedroom diri guys, but nay tao so for privacy. Pasensya. And then here's second bedroom sa second floor, which is here. This is amazing because dili siya typical na size of a bedroom. Dako siya. And then here is the last bedroom, which I think is the master bedroom kay dako. This is the biggest room in the house. So this is the fourth one and na siya own nga walk-in closet. Aside from the closet there, na siya own walk-in closet and at the same time na siya access to its own toilet and bath. Ayun. So, by the way, guys, this house is 14 million pesos only. Again, this is 4 bedrooms, 3 toilet and bath with landscaping sa baba, garden area, gazebo, gym area, garage. And this is just located in Libertad along the road. So, very accessible siya. If you're interested, just send me a message today. Once again, I'm Cyrus, a sales manager of the Realty Philippines. Bye!